Hi, this is Steve from Forest Safety Products. I want to introduce our Logger First Aid and Trauma Kit today. This kit fulfills a requirement for an OSHA-compliant Logger First Aid Kit, but contains upgraded quality components and additional items to treat traumatic injuries. All this comes in a durable case that has plenty of room for extras you may want to add. We're going to start with the outside pockets, where you'll first find some nitrile gloves to protect yourself while assisting others. Below that is a pair of shears for removing clothing to access wounds. The big outside pocket contains a sizable cold pack, a SAM splint, and two 8x10 trauma pads. Inside, laid out for easy organization, we'll start with the trauma items. First, a combat application tourniquet, probably the most important and effective tool to stop extreme extremity bleeding. Compressed gauze for wound packing or wrapping, and a 6-inch trauma dressing round out some of these components for heavy bleeding. On this side, we also have two elastic wrap bandages for sprains or a multitude of other uses. A real pair of tweezers are included for splinters or ticks, not that you'll ever run into that. On the other side, we have some pockets for first aid, with a first aid manual, a Ambu Rescue mask. This mask makes it easier for mouth to mouth while performing CPR. Also included is a rescue blanket to help treat against shock. Finally, in the last pocket is all your minor wound items. You have Band-Aids, surgical tape, two triangular bandages, two eye shields, eye wash, burn dressings, 4x4 gauze pads, antiseptic, and sting and bite packets. Additionally, you can upgrade with a 4-foot strip of quick clot clotting gauze, which can stop bleeding up to 5 times faster. All this is contained in a durable bag that provides plenty of room for upgrades and additions. Please see forestsafety.com for more information and some of our other first aid, trauma, and outdoor items. Thanks for watching.